What's up guys, how's it going? This is Max from Crypto Potato, and today we're going to show you how to trade on Bityard cryptocurrency exchange. Bityard is a cryptocurrency derivatives exchange that's headquartered in Singapore according to their official website. It accepts traders from more than 150 countries and claims to provide safe, fast, and easy cryptocurrency trading services. It's important to note that Bityard is an exchange that operates entirely with derivatives. As such, there is no Bitcoin spot trading pairs. Traders are able to buy or sell cryptocurrencies using margin and with high leverage of up to 100 times. Before we start, please keep in mind that trading with high leverage is very risky. While it can increase your earnings, it can also lead to a loss of your entire capital a lot quicker than regular spot trading. It's recommended for experienced users with sufficient knowledge of market dynamics. Always trade amounts you can afford to lose. There are currently 10 cryptocurrencies that you can trade on Bityard, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Ripple, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum Classic, EOS, Tron, Dash, and Link. As most derivative exchanges, Bityard allows you to open both long and short positions, giving you the opportunity to profit regardless of whether the price goes up or down. First, let's see how to register. It's very easy. When you hop on the website, on the right side, you have to hit the Get Started button and fill in your email and create your designated password. After that, you will receive a confirmation email, and upon doing it, your account will be activated. Now, according to the platform, there are a few security measures that you have to take in order to be able to withdraw funds. These are a dedicated PIN to verify withdrawals, email verification required to withdraw, done automatically when you register, and SMS authentication. It's worth noting that we tried to withdraw and we succeeded without any problems before setting up the SMS authentication. There's also a KYC verification option. According to Bityard support team, the KYC process is only needed if you plan to deposit using fiat currencies and is not needed for withdrawals. We can confirm that our account is not KYC verified and we withdrew successfully. Now, let's look at how to deposit and withdraw on Bityard. On the top navigation menu, you will see the Assets button. When you go to My Assets page, that's what you'll get. This is where you deposit and withdraw your funds. To deposit, simply click Receive and use the address that's provided in the subsequent pop-up window. On Bityard, in order to withdraw, you will first have to convert the assets to USDT. This is done by clicking the Convert button next to each asset. If you want to withdraw USDT, you would have to click on Send. Now, you'd have to select the network on the receiving address, Omni, ERC20, or TRC20. Input the amount, the address, your PIN, and complete the CAPTCHA to prove you aren't a bot. Confirm the transaction, and you're done. Now that we have funds, let's start trading. The overall trading interface on Bityard is rather simplified, and it features some functionalities that are not present on some of the other exchanges. This is how the main trading display looks like. On the left side, there are all the available trading pairs, and in the middle, there's a simple price chart. On the right, you can find the orders, and below is where you can see the opened positions. There are two types of orders on Bityard, but there's an embedded functionality to put a stop loss or take profit with each order. Limit orders. Limit orders are used to open a position at a price which is different than the current market price. For example, if Bitcoin currently trades at around $9,200, but you want to buy only when it drops to $9,000, you would have to place a limit order to buy at $9,000, and it will be filled only when the price drops to that level. You only have to input the price that you want to buy at $9,000, adjust the leverage, we're using 20 times leverage, and the amount of USDT you want to use as a margin. The exchange calculates the exact amount of Bitcoin you'd be able to buy with this and creates your order. Market orders. Market orders are the simplest ones as they are executed immediately with the best available market price, hence the name. All you have to do is input the margin that you'd like to work with, and it will automatically calculate your position size, taking into account the leverage you used. In this example, we've decided to open a position using $30 as a margin and a 20 times leverage. The exchange calculates exactly how much Bitcoin the position will be. In this case, it's 0.065 Bitcoin. Using stop loss and take profit ratios. With each order, users are also able to take profit and stop loss orders before opening the position. The levels are displayed under the Initial Margin tab, and from the Settings button on top, you are able to adjust them. This way, once your position is opened, it automatically has a stop loss and take profit in place, making it less risky. Now, let's open a position using a market order. For this, we've decided to use 20 times leverage and put 40 USDT as the margin. For the stop loss and take profit settings, we've gone with 10% risk, stop loss, and 300% take profit. In other words, if the price drops to $9,167, we will be stopped out of our position. And if it goes up to $10,595, we will realize our profits. The only thing that's left to do is to hit the buy button, and our position will be opened and displayed below the chart. Once your position is opened, this is how it will look. This is where you monitor the performance of your position and check stats such as opening price, profit and loss in USDT or in percentages, the time you open the position, and so on and so forth. To close the position, you have two options. Either let it hit your stop loss or take profit, or close it instantly by hitting the close button. This will close it using the current market price. The settings button allows you to change your stop loss and take profit targets. And yeah, that's everything you need to know about trading on Bityard. Now let's look at the fees. This is an important thing to consider when choosing a cryptocurrency derivatives trading exchange is how it would charge you for opening and closing positions. According to the official website, Bityard doesn't differentiate between market makers and takers. Instead, it has an opening fee and a closing fee that's the same. The formula to calculate it is margin times leverage times 0.05%. In other words, the exchange charges you 0.05% based on your actual position size. For example, if you use $50 margin with 20 times leverage, the fee would be 50 times 20 times 0.05, which is $0.5. However, the exchange pre-deducts the fee in advance, meaning that when you open the position, you will also be charged for the closing fee. Compared to other exchanges, the fees are somewhat higher. Most competitors have different trading tiers where users can receive certain discounts, and even without them, a flat 0.05% fee on all transactions looks rather high. Another important factor is the customer support. The customer support of Bityard is responsive, at least on their official Telegram channel. We ran a test asking a technical question, and they got back to us within a few minutes. Apart from that, there's a frequently asked questions section that also addresses most common queries. In conclusion, all in all, Bityard seems like most of the new cryptocurrency derivative exchanges, but it does have some interesting features such as the ability to set preliminary targets. However, in our experience, while we were testing the exchange, there was a strange problem where the software didn't show any trading values or charts. It took the support team a couple of hours to resolve it, but it's unclear what might have happened if we had an open position and the price dropped. The trading fees are a bit higher and they are flat, which is a practice that's not very common for most of the reliable exchanges. On the other hand, the software is very easy to use and friendly towards beginners, which is certainly a plus. Let's just go over the pros and cons real quick. The pros: easy to use interface, quick registration process, leverage of up to 100 times, and quick customer support. The cons: only about 10 trading pairs are available at the time of this writing, relatively higher flat trading fees, and occasionally fragmented trading experience. And that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to see more content like this, please like this video or subscribe to our channel. And thank you so much for watching.